friends, if you are thinking to give interview and you are going for an interview for job purpose, then this video only for you. Don't skip my video, watch till the end and stay with me till the end because I am going to share with you, I am going to tell you how you can introduce yourself. Okay? Hello sir, good morning. First of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity. Introduce myself. My name is Sadhna and I am from UP. I have done my graduation. It's a Bachelor of Science. Now I am pursuing Masters in MA with Economics, and my hobbies is growing vegetables, planting, gardening, traveling and dancing. These are my hobbies, and my dream is becoming a teacher because I want to teach small children. That's all about me, and thank you for listening me. Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Sadhna, as you already know. I hope you all are well and learning this language in a great way. Friends, today I have one very interesting and exciting topic for discuss with you. I thought first and most this is first and most common question for everyone, and that's why I am making these videos. And to be very honest, I have given lots of interview just for fun purpose, and I wanted to take some experience. I wanted to some experience. Then I have given lots of interview, and now I have knowledge a little bit about what they asked mostly. Tell me about yourself. अपने बारे में कुछ बताओ. This is the very common question. Okay? And we feel nervous, we feel hesitation, and we feel shy. Okay? Don't feel these are things. Because if you feel, then you are not able to give interview in a proper way. Right? Then don't feel nervous. Everyone is face, but try to manage these are things because they are not your relative. Okay, they are not going to understand, they are not going to tolerate. But yeah, sometimes we get good people, good HR, but not every times. Okay, then and if you are also then friends, yeah, first things what you can do if you are going for an interview, then just think you will select in this interview. Okay, think in positive, think in positive way. Okay, and then go, and you know what you should tell them. First you have to greeting like hello, good morning, good afternoon, according to time. Okay, according to time you have to say. Then your name, and after that from where you are, from where you belong, and third what is your qualification. Okay, what you have done, like if you have experienced, then tell them your experience, how many years, 2 years, 3 years, then tell. If you are fresher, you don't have any experience, you didn't any work recently, then don't, no need to worry about. Okay, You have to just tell about yourself. And
You have to tell about your hobbies, what you like to do in a free time, in a leisure times. Like I like dancing, growing vegetables, gardening, planting, and I love to travel different places. This is my hobbies. You can say simply in this way. Sometimes they asked about your strength and weakness because they want to know what is your weakness and strength. If you have, then you can tell. And I know everyone is have some weakness and strength. You can say simply, this is my strength and this is one is my weakness. And
don't,
sometimes they
if they
don't.
will ask, then you can tell about it, or otherwise no need to tell. And just you say simply about yourself only, what you have done, what you are doing currently. Tell about these things. And while telling, maintain your eye contact, okay? And keep a smile on your face, and speak in a polite way, okay? This is very simple way to give an interview, and what I am telling to you. And I can say this is very wonderful way to tell about yourself. And simply you can say, hello, good morning sir, my name is Sadhna and I am from UP. I have done my graduation. It's Bachelor of Science.
Friends, if you have experience, then you can tell I have experience of 5 years, 3 years. And if you don't have any experience, any field, then no need to worry about it. You just say simply, I am fresher. I have come very first time for giving interview. And while giving interview, think and maintain your body language, your eye contact, your hand gesture. These are things because they noticed very carefully, and you should also maintain. And friends, this is very wonderful way whatever I have told you, very in a simple way about introducing yourself. And if you likes my video, then share with your friends and subscribe my videos, and it will keep me motivated for making next videos. And I would like to say, take care of your family and you too. I will meet you